In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to turn the information on your board into a clear calendar view so you can actually see your tasks, projects, or events laid out over time. First, start by opening the board that you want to visualize as a calendar. This might be a projects board, a content planning board, or anything else that already has dates or timelines added to it. Make sure you're on the main board view so you can see the top toolbar. At the top of your board, look for the plus icon that lets you add a new view. It's usually labeled as Add View when you hover over it. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is where you choose how you want to visualize your existing board data, and in this case, we're going to turn it into a calendar. From the list of view options that appears, select Calendar. Once you click Calendar, Monday.com will create a new calendar view that's connected to your current board. You'll see a monthly, weekly, or daily layout, but at first, it might look empty or incomplete if your date settings aren't configured yet. To make sure your items actually show up on the calendar, you need to tell Monday.com which column contains your dates or timelines. Look for the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually in the top right area of the calendar view. Click that gear icon to open the calendar settings. Inside the settings panel, you'll see an option to select a date or timeline column. This is important because the calendar pulls its information directly from this column. Open the drop-down and choose the column that contains your due dates, start and end dates, or event dates. If you're using a timeline column, the calendar will show the full span from the start date to the end date, which is great for projects and longer tasks. If you're using a simple date column, it will show a single day for each item. Once you've selected the correct column, your items should appear on the calendar automatically. From there, you can click on any item to open it, adjust dates directly from the calendar, and switch between different calendar views to get the perspective that works best for you.